have the UV editing done, let's go to texture paint. Okay, go to texture paint, and right now it's pink. And remember, when it's pink, that means there's no textures connected. So I'm going to click the plus button here, and I'm going to add a base color. That's fine. Let's make it a bit brown. I'm going to click OK. And there we go. So now the monkey is a bit brown, but what's cool about this is we can actually paint onto the monkey. How cool is that? So we can go in here, and if we scroll in this, and let's open up, here we're going to click here, the base color, we can see that it's actually painting here. And in addition, here, let's zoom into this. Let's do F. We can paint here as well. So either painting on the 2D image or on the 3D asset will paint on the monkey. And there's a lot of cool additional things we can do. So for instance, we can click on the plus button, and we can add different properties to this. So we can add a bump, metallic, roughness, specular, and it's going to set up the nodes for us automatically. So if we go into the shading workspace real quick, and the reason why I'm doing this is to show you it's setting it up for us. So by default, we have the principal BDSF, and whenever you click on the plus button to add a new texture, this is what's happening. It's creating the texture and it's connecting to the color. Now, if we do it for metallic, the same thing's going to happen. So if we go to texture paint, click on the plus, to metallic, have it as a black as off. So black is off and white is on. So we're going to click OK. Right, so now we're on the metallic area. And let's say for the eyes, we want it to be metallic. So we're going to go here. And then we're going to go here. So everywhere else, it's metallic is off except for the eyes. Now let's go into the shading workspace. So you can see it's loading. And I'm not sure if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. It now has metallic. So if I turn roughness off, right? The only place that's metallic is the eyes. So let's go ahead and add another one for the roughness as well. So let's do texture paint. Let's do plus. Let's do roughness. That's fine. Look, black is off. Do not use alpha. You don't need to use alpha. And oh, right. Sorry. This one we actually want everything to be white. So we want roughness to be at the max. Easy way you can do that is click the paint bucket here. Do that. And now let's make roughness right here to be 0. There we go. Now if we go to shading, there we go. So now we have the roughness, we have the metallic, and we have the base color. So you can see very quickly, we can do a lot of cool stuff with this. But this allows us as well to have a single object, to have a lot of different types with it, to have a surface, to have the metallic, the roughness. It adds a lot of control. But notice here, if I turn this guy off, right? So we have a 0 here. So 0 means black, right? It's completely off. 1 here means on. So on is completely white. And anything in between, let's say right here, this is gray. So that's why we can map the color directly to the roughness value. So it's using the black and white scale in order to turn it from 0 to 1.